Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut PC version to create videos easily for selling or just for. So after you download it and open it, and you can see what the preview panel, timeline, and toolbar feature here. So you can import videos, audios, photos before if you want to edit. Just click and select the elements you want to edit. So just drag like so. Alright, so you can use all the features from the CapCut PC. You can add the audio, text, sticker, effect, transition, filters. You can split the clip, delete the clip, freeze the video, reverse video, mirror or that, crop, and you can change body aspect ratio. Just click ratio button and select ratio you like. You can just for the question and size, um, add the overlay, just put on top another clip, select the clip. You can blend the overlay, you can cut out or yeah, remove the background. For example, click chroma key, click color picker, click color you want to remove, like so. Right. You can add the animation, you can create motion tracking, right, add masking, enhance, and um, yeah, many more we can getting from CapCut. So, alright, if you want to add the transition, just split the clip and add transition. Go to transition, select transition you like, just for the duration right here. And if you want to add the effect, you can click effect, select effect you want to add, just for the duration is assembling with the clip, and click audio to add the audio music available here. Don't effect, extract the audio from the video and add the TikTok sound, just link to TikTok account. Alright, for example, speed and remove unused. So you can add bit or match cut manually. Alright, add sticker, text. Alright, after you finish editing the video, you are just going to click export button in the top right corner and change for the title of your project, and select the place of your file, and just for the resolution, bitrate, frame rate, and etc. And then click export. Alright, so that's how you can use CapCut PC to create videos easily for saying or just for fun. I think this video is oh sorry. I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut video editing for the first time. So if you find useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.